Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Missed Call on guitar. We'll start by breaking down the fundamental chords. The verse primarily uses a simple four-chord progression: G major, C major, E minor, and D major. Focus on getting a clear sound from each chord and practicing smooth changes between them. This foundational step is crucial for building your confidence and accuracy as you learn the song. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern and rhythm. A common pattern for this song is down, down, up, down, up. Try to keep your strumming hand moving consistently to maintain a steady rhythm. Aim for a tempo around 100 beats per minute. Practicing with a metronome can significantly improve your timing and ensure you stay in sync with the song's feel. Now let's explore the chorus and bridge sections. The chorus might rearrange the familiar G, C, M, D chords slightly, adding a fresh feel. For the bridge, you'll introduce a new chord, a minor. This adds a different emotional texture to the song. Remember to adjust your dynamics, perhaps strumming a little louder in the chorus and softer in the bridge to capture the song's full expression. To truly master Missed Call, consistent practice is key. Start by practicing each section at a very slow tempo, ensuring every chord change and strum is clean. Gradually increase your speed as you gain confidence. Using a metronome will help you develop impeccable timing. Finally, listen to the original song frequently to internalize its feel, dynamics, and subtle nuances. You'll be playing it smoothly in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.